How to fix mobile data is not working in Huawei Mate 70. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turning off or on your airplane mode, then go back and check your network connection works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, you can see the option reset. Now click on reset and then click on reset network settings and again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.